We're unsure whether or not this is a sumo shrine, but we're gonna go check it out because we're here anyway, right?
Running water and stuff?
Hey there, mister.
Hey.
What day is it?
Why, it's Christmas Day, sir. Oh no, it's Friday.
It's the day that we finally, hopefully, go to Gotokuji. I shouldn't jinx that.
Yes, a very fortuitous day.
Yes, a very fortuitous day.
Long time coming.
We tried to go to it in 2019, and I've been dreaming of it ever since.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are going to try to get to that first order of business. Also, we're on mental vacation. I really like stickers and street art and stuff, and there's not really a lot of street art here in Japan, so Tokyo's the only place. Look at that cool new building over there. Dope. Yeah, most of the arrows are pointing to the right. We're gonna go this way. You're dressed up pretty cool there.
Thank you. I imagine this gets quite vibrant at night. And here's the graffiti that generally never exists. Interesting.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to come back here and check out one of these probably overpriced booths, but you know, it's worth it.
Yeah, I imagine it must be quite bustling at night. It's a neat space.
Got some old school vibes, you know? I wonder if they are made to look that way. Probably, eh? Oh. Hey, we've partaken in that. Not the garbage part. This did not exist last time we were here. This looks really cool.
Yeah.
This is part of all the revitalization stuff for the Olympics that didn't really happen.
Well, I mean, they happened, but late and to a much smaller crowd than, you know, would be good for tourism.
The street.
Yeah, pretty neat.
Double the price in here.
What's that? Oh, for the lockers.
Those are like $15 for 24 hours, the big ones?
Yeah.
Where they're normally 7, right?
Yeah, for the large ones.
Yeah.
Although it turns out the second, not so large ones, the $5 ones, could still fit 2 massive backpacks pretty easily.
Just give a rolling case, you need the other one.
Definitely.
Should I check out the corner before we go down to the metro?
Nah, let's get the day going. Any idea where we are?
Yeah.
It's a neat looking station.
Yeah. I mean, so far, maybe we're a little bit closer than we were last time? I don't know.
Yeah.
Beautiful pathway.
Yeah. Lush. I'm calling you a lush.
Oh, okay.
But also it's very green and earthy and naturey.
Good on that.
Nice.
Beautiful flowers.
Yeah, spring's coming.
It's much warmer than when I was in Tokyo by myself back in 2012 in February. It's a much warmer February. Global warming. pretty. Some dope stone lions. Now, whether or not we're in the right spot, this is still a very beautiful temple. But we shall see. We shall see.
Yeah. Oh, we did it.
I've seen a lot of these, but in snow form.
True.
There's ones left over from the year of the tiger. And there's some year of the rabbit guys here too. Beautiful, eh? And we have to find Thomas-san.
Yeah. Yeah, beckoning.
Itty bitty one. This place is huge, which is evident by the fact that we never found the cats last time. So if you are looking for them, yeah, we'll pin it. Probably can't see the tiny, tiny little cat in between here and here. It's cute. Want to take a picture of me beside this guy?
Sure.
With the glasses. That one says J-Hope on it. Did you see? That one says J-Hope on it. Buddies. These three are showing out. we just gotta find Tama-san.
Yeah.
Wanna go in?
I do wonder when I see what I consider a celebrity, Tama-san, if it's not so much the temple's cat as it is the unofficial photographer.
But I see him drinking from the water thing sometimes.
Yeah. He's always hanging out.
I think I have to get something from the
Cat vending machine?
Yeah.
Welcome to Gotokuji.
If I get a coffee, do you want to share one? Or do you want your own coffee?
I probably just want my own coffee.
I'm gonna get you a coffee?
What is in the hot category? Some stuff.
Those little birdies and the blossoms. Blossom birdies? I know last time we came in the prime time of cherry blossoms, accidentally somehow, but this time also we get some blossoms. There's no wrong time to come to Japan, eh?
Beautiful.
We're gonna stop and have our neko coffees
Yeah,
in front of the cherry blossoms.
I think we are. So you were just saying how we got it wrong last time. Oh. Take two.
What part of that didn't we get? Any of it?
I was just talking about how did we make the mistake last time? Because this time we found it.
It's the same temple.
Sorry. Yeah.
It's the same temple. We just went to the side that's connected to the JR line, I believe. Or at least not the tram. You have to make sure you come in the tramway. Because you're in the right park. It's just such a huge, huge temple. Sorry.
Although even from the tram we had to walk for a number of blocks and you were convinced that we weren't going to find it for a moment.
Yeah, I've heard that walking down the street here, if you go the right way, there's lots of cat things. So I'm like, uh-oh, we're in the right spot.
So this complex is around the block from the complex we went to in 2019?
It's the same whole temple, big temple, but yeah, the entrances are different. So
Because
there
like
might be
none
a
of this is remotely
cross-through.
familiar. Like
Yeah.
we didn't see any of this last time.
Yeah. But this time we saw lots of happy little cats. So
Yeah.
didn't see Tama-san though.
The roots. Blank, blank, blank.
I think a cat put the sign up. One of them lucky cats.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Glad we found you. Thank goodness.
Yep. Yeah.
When you're at the Neko Shrine, you should get the Neko pan. I got the Neko pan. Also, I noticed there's a cat sign behind you. Anyway, I'm gonna try this guy out. So you're unsure whether or not this is a sumo shrine, but we're gonna go check it out because we're here anyway, right?
Running water and stuff?
Looks beautiful. Never seen a dope stone lion with a little baby dope stone lion teaching them how to be dope. Hmm?
Dope.
There's actually a sumo wrestling ring, and they were held here in autumn. Sumo wrestling matches. Apparently it was one of the major 3 sumo wrestling events in the Edo period. That's so cool. Wow. I wonder if stuff still takes place here. Yeah? I wonder if stuff still takes place here.
Yeah.
Looks like it.
What's that?
Looks like it.
Looks like what?
Events still take place here.
I know nothing about sumo wrestling, but this would be an amazing spot to see a match.
Did you see the little Italian greyhound visiting the shrine?
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Very cute.
I've never seen a shrine with like so many flowers in there.
Yeah.
Dope stone father and son. The people with the greyhound just put the dog's head through the little head thingy. It was so cute.
Funny. Well, that's my camera. I was going to say the same thing. Because earlier, the clip where you referenced the dog, and I don't turn the camera because I didn't want to put the camera at them.
Well, I filmed the dog too, just while they were putting his head through the little thing.
I thought the people at home would just have to envision the dog.
No.
You lucky folks.
I got dog. So this was, and I think still is, a sumo wrestling ring, but it was incredibly important during the Edo period. One of the 3 most important matches were held here every year. That's just so cool. This whole neighborhood is brimming with cats. Want to get back on the cat bus?
Yeah. I guess we can walk right up to the thing and cross there.
Yeah, over here.
Let's understand this map.
We got on. Anyway, we got on one of these ends, and
Right, this little guy.
yeah, we went here, and then we went here. That was really cool. Would recommend that too. Yeah, I really thought that was really cool.
Good times.
Glad we went.
Go to the
Did you see the
entrance
bike?
way. Ooh, bunnies.